there. Welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many VM users face when pasting large blocks of text. Have you ever experienced the frustration of trying to paste a chunk of text in a VM only to have interrupted line by line? It can certainly be a real nuisance, especially when you're working on a time-sensitive task. Well, fear not, because today we're diving into a solution that will make your pasting experience in VM a whole lot smoother. Let's get right into it. In terms of a solution, there's a neat trick in VM that allows you to paste text atomically, ensuring that the entire content is pasted at once without any interruptions. By using VM's own paste command, specifically the plus register which corresponds to the OS clipboard, you can achieve this seamless pasting experience. Simply use +P to paste the contents from the clipboard in one go. If your VM version doesn't support the clipboard, you can resort to using an external tool like Script on Linux to read the clipboard. It's all about making that pasting process as smooth and uninterrupted as possible. Isn't that neat? Now, let's recap what we've learned today. The key to achieving atomic pasting in VM lies in utilizing the paste command, specifically the plus register for clipboard support. By using this method, you can ensure that your pasting experience is seamless and uninterrupted, allowing you to paste large blocks of text without any hiccups. So go ahead and give it a try in your own VM editor and see the difference it makes. And with that, I'll wrap up this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy VM ing.